Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you how you're going to change the URL of your ontraport page so it will connect to your domain on your real domain. So I have here created an order page in ontraport, creating content and publish it as speakersinstitute.com respond.ontraport.net/1di creating content. But I wanted it to show up as speakersinstitute.com. So that the people will not think it's like spam or phishing site. So here's how you're gonna do it. First, you have to install a plugin in your account, which is Ontraport Pages. You can search it through the plugins search. If you click on add, you just have to search on the add new, and Ontraport Pages will show up when you do some searches. But here, yeah, look, in this video, I already installed it and it's already activated. So what you're gonna do is make sure it is the one from Ontraport and just install it and then activate it. All right. So after that, go to Ontra Pages and go to the settings. What you're gonna do is just put on the just disconnect your API to the Ontraport account. I'm not going to show it right now, but you can just create an API right into your administration and then integration and then Ontraport API instruction and key manager. So that's where you can get your API and the secret key. All right, and then just put it right here in the blue ones because you already have an account in Ontraport. If not, you can create an account. All right, so after that, you have to go to all pages and create your pages. All right, and then just choose the page you want to connect with Ontraport just by clicking add new. All right, just give it a moment because it's trying to do its task. And after that, when you click on new, you have to choose your Ontraport page right in the bare bottom, which is the Ontraport pages, and then uh, choose your what do you call this Ontraport pages. So here I have here an example Speakers Institute renewal order page. Example is SP renewal. Just go to put here the title. Speaker tribe renewal, and then the slug. This is where you change the slug, and then click on publish. So that's it on how you create your Ontraport pages.